Good morning, everyone.
Good morning from Tokyo.
Country number 8, I think we're on now. We've been in Tokyo for like 3 days now. I'm wandering around seeing some cool things. There's plenty to see and do here, actually.
Lots and lots to do.
So today, what we're going to do is we're going to take you around the city and see some interesting things. See the weird and wonderful side of Tokyo. Right, let's head out and see what we can find. First weird and wonderful thing is that if there's a fire, you get a free plastic bag that you can put over your head so that you don't inhale smoke.
Would you not just suffocate?
No, I mean, it's better than nothing, isn't it? So, yeah, I mean, we wouldn't be trusted to have one of those in the UK. But yeah, first weird and wonderful thing. So where are we going first?
First stop is, I don't know what the actual name of it is, I have to have a look.
Find out.
And plop it in, or say it later. It's a temple, there's lots of temples here, it's a Buddhist temple, and there's lots of the lucky cats, you know the ones that do this? There's like hundreds and hundreds of them, right. So it looks really cool.
Alright, let's go check that out. Let's go.
このエレベーターは地下1階改札口行きです。下へ参ります。ドアが閉まります。
Something else they have, which is kind of useful, is these maps that tell you what train to get in, like what carriage you should get in, so that you get the quickest exit from the station you're going to, which is kind of handy.
They are a very efficient nation.
They are. So we're going to Ueno Okachimachi.
Oh, say that again?
No. And we have to go to one of these carriages between 6 and 3. Kind of useful. Got some snacks from 7-Eleven for lunch.
It may seem like a bit of a rogue choice, but 7-Eleven food here, like sushi, these I've been living off, like sushi triangle, and the tuna here is just unmatched, really yummy.
And it's cheap as well.
Yeah.
So
We thought Japan was going to be really expensive, and we'd be like, oh.
it's not so bad, is it? You can find quite a lot of good cheap stuff. So we've come out of the main city to Gotojuki, and this is the Gotojuki temple, which I think is just up here, with lots of cats apparently.
Here?
I think this is it, yeah.
And the great thing about temples is you don't pay for them.
There you go, another freebie. So these cats are called beckoning cats, or Maniko Neka, and they're supposed to be good It's supposed to be like simple as good luck. They've got plenty of good luck here then, haven't they?
Yeah, that's good.
Don't need much more good luck here.
I think people buy them to like kind of gain
I
good
wonder
luck.
if you can buy them though.
On the little ones.
No, I want one of the biggest ones.
How are we going to fit that in our
Because then we'll
rucksack?
have plenty of good luck.
That won't fit in hand luggage, will it?
We'll make it work.
The Toyko temple is located at Ginja Road Oakland and is a famous road for Mahit, the chief minister.
Funny enough, it says there's a big sign in there that says "Take your cat home with you," because obviously.
Oh, it's so cute.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? Obviously, there's too many of them up there now.
Beep, beep, beep.
I think it was 800 yen for this one.
Yeah.
Which is about £5, just a bit under £5.
We've had our look around the cat temple. What's next, Benjamin?
I think to stick with the cat theme, we should go to a cat cafe.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go find some real cats. I'd say that temple is quite perfect. What did you think of my pun?
It was catastrophic.
He's good, he's good.
Also hire little Super Mario style go-karts and drive around the street.
Real life Mario Kart.
Yeah.
また、周りの歩く人の流れに乗れないため、他の通行人が回避するため。
So in Japan you'll find these machines everywhere. I don't know the proper name for them. But they're basically machines where you put money in and you twist the handle and then like a mysterious ball comes out and then it's just like luck of the draw which one you get. But it's very popular here and it's quite fun.
What are you going for?
Well, I've been drinking a lot of iced tea here. There's a little Lipton, they come in like cartons. So I'm hoping for this one, that's my favourite, the peach one. But the lemon one would do.
Peach one. Come on, good vibes.
Manifest.
Good vibes for the peach one.
Ready? Purple, I think it's a grape. Oh, the grape one, that's still kind of cute.
Oh, we're going to have to have a grape one
Gonna
now.
try
Let's
it
try it
now.
out because I haven't tried that.
But they've got child lock on. Oh, look! That is cute.
Nice.
Put it on my bag.
Right, back to
Cats.
what we were supposed to be doing. They have cool little models as well of the food outside of a shop, so if you can't read the Japanese writing, you can just look at a picture and point at it.
Yeah, pretty handy.
It's quite handy actually.
It'd be a great like play thing as well. Like I imagine my
Yeah, you
nieces
can make
would
your
love
own
that.
one. Yeah, make your own fake food.
Yeah.
But then if you're going to do that, you might as well make real food, mightn't you?
Yeah. Oh, finally, unboxing. It's so cute.
Click the wrong button.
Hi. Thank you. sleeping on a different cat.
Give me a biscuit. Okay.
Gonna get the packet.
Cat cafe?
Yeah, the cats didn't want to play with me.
No, they didn't want to do
I
anything.
kept trying to play with them. One even came over to play with someone else, and I had a stick, and I was trying to play. They want to play. That's cats for you.
Yeah.
Still like them.
Yeah. Bit expensive though.
Yeah.
£12 for that. Oh, mad. Get like a drink included, but and we were in there like half an hour. That's mad money actually. We should start a cat cafe in the UK. It's like a license to print money. Right.
They are a thing in the UK.
Shall we? To continue on our theme, not cat theme, but furry
friend.
furry friend theme. We're gonna go to a, well, it's not a cafe, it's like a takeaway place. That's,
Bit of a different experience.
yeah, it's furry in a sense. So let's head down here. Show you what we found online.
So, we were going to get a coffee from the Bear, but we saw this sign, so 50% off, so we was like, oh, we'll wait till 5, so we waited about 20 minutes, and then the machine broke, and then there's no option for 50% off, and because it's just a bear that works there, there's no one to talk to. So, a little bit of an issue.
Plus, if it's not 50% off, it's like £8 for a drink.
Yeah, which is a lot of money just for a... And do bears know how to make drinks?
I think it's just a bare hand.
Oh, here he goes.
I don't know why it rings a bell. Okay, so we won't be getting a drink from there because I'm not spending £8
£8 for a bear to make my drink.
on an iced tea. But it's pretty cool nonetheless. Nice,
Yeah,
nice gimmick.
It's silly, isn't it? Very silly.
It's a very Japanese gimmick, that is.
So, we've just kind of shown you around a bit of Tokyo. We're gonna...
It's been very cat themed or animal themed
Yeah, it
today,
has been
maybe.
animal themed.
But yeah, it just so happens to be what we ended up doing.
But there's so much to do. I'd really recommend a trip to Tokyo. If that's not on your bucket list, put it on there.
It's good fun.
It's really cool.
Lots to do. Anyway, we shall, I don't know what we're going to do. Go and find some food down the little food street, and then that's our last day. Our last day in Japan.
Last day inside the world, and we're flying over to the US.
Yeah. So we will catch you in the next one. Bye.
Hello to our loyal followers.
I don't think they're that loyal.
Summer! We just wanted to film another outro as this is our last Backpacks and Teabags video for a while.
Yeah, we're in Budapest at the moment and we've got a couple of weeks left of our trip and then we're coming home. So, yeah, we didn't really want to have to worry about making any videos or doing anything like that for our last time. So, yeah, happy that we finished on Japan. I feel like that was a good one to do.
Yeah,
that was good.
yeah,
that was
good
fun.
finish. But we'd like to thank you for watching, and we really hope you've enjoyed our videos. We've definitely enjoyed making them,
and watching them back as well.
Yeah, they're good. They're good to watch back, definitely.
Yeah, that's where all the views have come from. It's just me and Ben playing it on repeat. But anyway, thanks again, and that's Backpacks and Teabags signing out.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.